Okay guys, balik ulit tayo. As in learning other skills, the key to acquiring good writing skills lies in your willingness to improve as a communicator. Your willingness to learn has more weight than unused talent training hours spent of your school attendance. In other words, your attitude determines how far you will go to acquire the skills you desire now. Guys, kung kayo may dedication kayo sa pag-aaral, ganun din yan sa paggawa ng report writing. Dapat willingness kayo na mag-training, tapos yung training hours nyo, dapat is yung school attendance nyo, na tinatawag natin, eh, ma-maintain nyo. Para pagdating ng panahon at pagdating ng takdang panahon talaga guys, eh, kayang-kaya nyo humarap sa maraming tao na hindi kayo nahihiya. Eh, criminology naman kayo, kaya kayang-kaya nyo. Always remember that like other skills, such as cooking, swimming, self-defense, or marksmanship, writing skill can be learned. Yan. Matututunan yan guys, paunti-unti. A general constant engagement in the use of these skills coupled with a positive attitude of wanting to learn into plus a good reference book will eventually make you a better writer or communicator. You will even be surprised that after years of practicing these skills, you have already reached your bar or standard judging, which reports are written well and which ones are not. Yan guys. Pagdating ng panahon, kung may positive attitude kayo, kung gusto nyong dedicated kayo matuto talaga, eh baka pagdating niya makagawa na kayo ng mga libro nyo na hindi nyo napapansin, di ba? Pagdating kasi may iba't iba't katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong iba't ibang kakayahan, meron tayong kagalingan na iba-iba rin. Kung kunyari magaling ako sa correction, tapos ikaw may hina ka sa technical, eh ganun din ako, di ba? Ay magkakaiba tayo guys, ha? Kakaiba tayo ng kagalingan. More than anything else, be patient with yourself as you develop your writing skill. If at first or second try your writing work does not measure up with the standard, do not be easily discouraged. Huwag kayo kagad panghinaan guys kung hindi talaga para sa inyo yung writing skills na yan. Mag-try at try you die. No guys. Until you succeed. Time is needed to master any skill. Although not many people have the luxury of time, everyone has the chance to improve oneself. Yan. Lahat ng tao ay kayang i-improve yung sarili nila kung saan sila mahina. Basta pag-aralan nyo lang mabuti. Okay? Meron sinabi siya dito, si Kalabaw. Kalabaw ba to o baka? Sabi niya dito, mastery of skill requires the willingness to learn, a window of opportunity to use the skill in the real world, and the ability to overcome obstacles such as discouragement, laziness, and misplaced priorities. Yan. Kung willingness kayo guys na matuto, buksan yung mga pinto para sa oportunidad na matuto. Para makila nyo yung mga abilidad nyo na ma-improve pa to. Okay. Ito yung process guys, kung mabakikita nyo, di ba? Yan. Di ba yung pag-aaralan natin kanina? Who will read your report? Yan. Ikaw to. Face, page, spot, case, report. Patrolling or the responding officer, di ba? Yan yung una. You are here. Yan. Akit kay chief of section, chief of police or division. Yan guys. Ibibigay niya kay provincial director kung hindi talaga kaya, di ba? Kay regional director, chief PNP general headquarters, yan. Kay DLG. Yan. Office of the president kapag di talaga kaya guys. Yan, dito yung final report. Chief of Police, City of Municipality District. Ipapasa niya yan. Ito si Chief of Police. Ipapasa niya kay NPS, National Prosecution Service, for use of preparing cases for trial. Diba? Katulad ng sinabi ko guys, si NPS, hanapan niya ng probable cause kung sufficient ba evidence na binigay mo sa kanya. Ngayon, to si Chief of Police, siyempre, ipapasa niya rin dito yung kay news reporter na nag-aabang sa report, newspaper company, general public, para makita ng lahat. Yan, final report yan. Mapupunta yan kay DSWD, DOJ, DOJ, SS, Embassy, others, private companies, and IDBL insurance banding others. Yan, okay ba guys? Final report to. Yan. Dito si Chief of Police, siyempre maghahain yung dalawa. Magkakaroon ng ng debate. Ang tamang proseso guys. Si complainant versus accused, di ba? Prosecution counsel, siyempre, i-defend niya si complainant. Si defense counsel naman, i-defend siya yung akusado. Yan, Department of Justice, guys. Court of NTC, RTC or Judge, Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, yan. Yan sunod-sunod na process nila, guys. Pag di kaya, guys. Aangat siya dito. Kay Congressional Senate Committee on Peace and Order. Senate House Representative, di ba? Sana nag-use. Yan. Okay, guys. Report writing process. What is the first thing you do when you face a writing task? Do you hit the keyboard right anyway and write from your memory? Do you refer to your notes? Are you the type whose words just flow freely like the spring of water from sun-bathed brook? Or are you the type who spend endless stretches of time staring blankly at computer monitor, inwardly praying for the first sentence to finally set your mood and miraculously turn you into the writer you hope to become? Yan, guys. Ano ba yung mga kalidad ng isang reporting, guys? Kayo ba yung mga isang tao na nagdo-note-taking, gumagamit ng mga computer? Depende kung anong natipuhan nyo, guys, pagdating sa paggawa ng isang report writing. Do you consider writing a laborious task? Others do. In fact, some may even prepare the mix of excitement and fear in a straight shootout to dryness and challenge of writing. And yet, little do they know that is writing that they could recapture both excitement and challenges of performing their job. It's in documenting and writing that could make them better public safety officer. Yan. Kung i-consider mo din, guys, yung sarili mo bilang isang adventurous na tao, yung marami kang tasking na ginagawa. Kaya mo bang harapin yung mga excitement na tinatawag natin, guys? Hindi ka ba takot na pumunta sa mga shooting incident para maghanap ng information pagdating para sa paggawa mo ng written report na tinatawag natin? Why is this so? By revisiting the document, you will be reminded of the incident, of your response to it, and of the insight you may have learned from the experience. You will have the time to reflect, to work your skills, which may have been wanting the first time, and to perform better the next time. Diba, guys? Kapag nandun ka daw sa area na pinangyarihan, tapos nagkaroon ka ng first responder na tinatawag natin, o nandun na-response mo yung nangyari talaga, mas magkakaroon ka ng idea kung paano gumawa ng tamang report para pagdating sa taas, ayos talaga. Without question, different writing situation call for different approaches to writing. If you will write to your friend, you simply let the word gush out as if you are talking face to face with him or her. No grammatical rules to consider, no fear whatsoever of being judged. You express yourself freely, oftentimes write loosely, yet you firmly believe that your friend understand your bad grammar and all. Sometimes you wish this would also work in your professional life, that writing will be easy and as breathing. Dito, guys, sinasabi naman dito, kapag naggumawa ka ng liham para sa kaibigan mo, diba? Na-express mo yung sarili mo, wala kang pakialam kung tama ba o mali yung grammar na ginagamit mo, diba? Siyempre, kaibigan mo naman yan. Hindi niya naman sinasabing mali naman yung grammar na ginawa mo. Ang pangat naman, pakiayos naman. Hindi naman yung direct supervisor mo. Diba, guys? Kaya dito, sinasabi na, sana ganun na lang daw, ganun kadali gumawa ng report yung para sa report writing natin, diba? But the reality is that report writing entails effort. You need to go through a process, and each step requires skills and commitment for you to able to produce a report that can withstand the discerning eye of people in an outside organization. Your immediate superior, the prosecutor, and media man, among others yan, guys. Pero reality natin, guys, dapat magkaroon talaga ng effort. Nagkaroon ng process na tinatawag. Dapat alam mo yung trabaho mo, alam mo yung ginagawa mo, at ayaw mo mapahiya sa ibang tao, di ba? Ayaw mo mapahiya sa superior mo, ayaw mo pagdating ng evaluation form, doon ka niya bawian, di ba? Kaya dapat bago ka gumawa ng report, dapat pinag-aralan mo mabuti, alam mo kung ano yung mga information na i-include mo dito para pagdating ng tamang panahon na babasahin ito ng mga criticize, wala silang masasabi sa iyo. Kasi ginawa mo yung part ng trabaho mo. Is the report writing process, you can start with the pre-writing, which consists of data gathering, recording of facts, organizing this fact, followed by writing the draft, the evaluating or editing both content and form. Lastly, after cleaning up your draft, rewriting, finalizing. Diba? iba't ibang uri ng iba't ibang uri kung paano tayo gumawa ng yan guys. Ito sa report writing process, figure number 2. Duties, what to do, stage, when to do it, how to do it yan guys. Gather the facts, record facts, organize facts, pre-writing yan. Pag dito sa number, na to, 3 na to, di ba? Ay, 5 pala to. 6 pa pala. Write the draft, evaluate the report, rewrite and finalize the report yan. Ito yung mga process guys. Stage when to do it, pre-writing, rating, evaluating, yan, rewriting and finalizing guys. Yan. Ito ko na, paano mo ba gawin to? Field interview on the site investigation, field note is using templates, recording of statement, use video camera. Ito yung mga how to do it guys. Kung paano ba gawan ng tamang paraan para maayos yung paggawa mo ng report. Write the draft, writing a memorandum format based on the field notes of filed out templates yan. Nabibase ka sa format na binigay sa'yo. Evaluate the report yan. Proofreading, form how, yan guys. Proofreading, yung pag-aayos ng mga grammar na ginagawa mo, grammar, sentences, punctuation, paragraphing, capitulation, abbreviation, addition, number, spelling, yan. Yan dapat yung mo. Editing, accuracy, clarity, consciousness, completeness, objective. Yan. Dapat maayos mo lahat yan bago mo ipasa sa superior mo. Yan. After that, after self-editing, have peer edit your work before submitting into your superior, yan. Rewrite and finalize the report. Magkaroon ka ng final na pagbibigay tuon kung ano ba ang mali at tama sa ginawa mo. Yan guys. Dito guys, di ba? Yan. Yan. Dito rin yan. I-ano natin. Pre-writing refers to any activity that a writer engaged in prior to the actual writing of the draft in writing class. Activities under this category includes brainstorming or generating idea. In public safety report writing, this is represented by the acronym GRO, which is stand for Gathering, Recording, Organizing Facts. Yan guys. Dito sa pre-writing natin na tinatawag, nandito daw yung tinatawag natin brainstorming ng mga public safety officer kung paano ba nila gawin ng tamang report writing na ginagawa nila. At meron silang tinatawag na yung GRO, Gathering, Recording, Organizing Facts. Ito yung pinagbabasihan nila para maayos yung pre-writing na ginagawa nila. In order to importance, the pre-writing stage is the most critical part of the writing process. It is, however, the stage the most amateur writers neglect the most, believing that they can write whatever ideas come to mind without the benefits of preparation. Yan. Ito daw yung pinakamahirap na critical part na paggawa ng isang writing report process, guys. Dapat masailan ka kung alam mo dapat kung ano yung mga dapat i-include mo sa report mo. A good report largely depends on the rewriting process without the complete data of records of facts, without using or your skills organizing those data or facts, either in chronological order, in order to significance, it's difficult to write a good report. And guys, dapat sa paggawa ng pre-writing report na tinatawag natin, o pre-writing, dapat yung skills mo, akma-akma dun sa paggawa mo ng report. Nakaayos yan, chronological order. Yun. The use of templates per design form are common in this stage. These tools will help you writing your report. This form had pre-designed field for the 5 W's and 1 H natin guys. What you have to do is check mark appropriate process answer. These templates are designed to save you time from crafting new set of questions every time there is incident to report. Likewise, this sorts salient information, making it easier for you to write the report in the official memorandum format that to write the same from disorganized notes and words from memory. Ito guys, dapat magkaroon tayo ng templates o format na tinatawag. Doon tayo magbabase kung paano ba tayo gumawa ng isang report. Kasi kung wala kang pagbabasihan guys, syempre, ano na yan, chapsuy na yan, hindi na akma. Pagdating doon sa chief of police o direct supervisor mo, ano ba to, hindi ka itong gumawa ng tamang format, hindi mo pinagbasihan to, paano pag inakit natin to sa taas, ano mangyayari sa atin yan, di ba? Ganun yung mga posibleng mangyari guys kapag hindi kayo sumunod sa tamang templates na binigay sa inyo. Kasi dyan din kayo magbabase guys kung ano ba yung pagbabasihan nyo dyan. Kasi yan, yung tinatawag nating 5W1H. Kasi kung sunod-sunod naman yan guys, mas madaling pagbasihan, di ba?